In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a support ticket system in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable place to capture requests, track progress, and keep your team aligned without juggling emails or spreadsheets. Start on your workspace overview inside your team space. Think of the workspace as your organization's headquarters in ClickUp. Everything lives here. If you collaborate with others, confirm you're in the correct team space where support work should be managed. If you're solo, no problem. This still works perfectly and gives you structure from day one. Look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where your spaces, folders, and lists live. Navigate to the space or folder that should hold your support process. Keeping your support items close to related work, like product, success, or operations, helps people find what they need quickly. Open the options for that area by selecting the three-dot menu. This is your shortcut to settings and structure. From that menu, choose the option to create a new list. A list is where your tickets will live as individual tasks, so each request has its own record, comments, assignees, dates, and status. This keeps things consistent and reportable, and it scales well as volume grows. Name the list clearly. Type a title that makes its purpose unmistakable. Something like Support Ticket System. Or even more specific if you manage multiple products or teams. The more precise you are, the easier it is for everyone to drop requests in the right place and avoid duplicates. When you're happy with the name, click Create. You now have the container for your support process. Right after creating the list, ClickUp may prompt you with AI suggestions. Click Apply Suggestions. These recommendations usually include useful defaults like statuses and common fields. For example, you might see statuses such as New Request, In Progress, and Resolved. You may also get suggested fields for priority or due dates. Accepting these is a great way to start fast without overthinking configuration. You can always refine later once you see what your team actually uses. Keep the AI-provided settings as they are for now. Early on, simplicity beats complexity. Give your team a consistent path to follow before introducing custom fields or automations. As patterns emerge, like frequent bugs or common account questions, you can layer in extra detail with confidence. With the structure in place, you can add tickets right here in the list view. Create a new task and give it a short, descriptive title that captures the request at a glance. In the description, add just enough context to help the assignee reproduce or understand the issue. Include relevant links or attachments if needed. When you're done, click Save. That's your first support ticket in the system. Next, add resolution deadlines to help your team prioritize. Set a due date on the ticket that reflects when you aim to resolve it. For a quick example, pick something like this weekend if you're working toward a near-term target. Consistent due dates make workload planning easier and help you meet service expectations. If you operate with SLAs, align the due date with your commitment for that ticket's severity. You can also add the ticket's creation date to track how long items have been open. If you're backfilling older requests, choose a date option, like Later, to place them in the right historical spot. Accurate dates support better reporting and help you spot bottlenecks, such as when items sit too long in a particular stage. For prioritization, enable or use the AI-driven severity or priority field if it's suggested. This helps you rank tickets by impact rather than just order of arrival. For urgent issues that block many users, set severity to high. Reserve that top level for truly critical items so it keeps its meaning. Over time, this makes triage predictable and helps your team respond to what matters most first. You can connect tickets to customer contacts as well. Add the requester or account contact so you always know who reported the issue and who needs the update when it's resolved. Choose the appropriate contact from your directory or CRM and only store the information you actually need to work the ticket. This makes communication faster and keeps your records tidy. That's the core workflow. A clear list dedicated to support, AI-assisted setup to give you sensible defaults, and structured tickets with names, dates, severity, and contacts. As you work through requests, move items across statuses so everyone sees what's new, what's being worked on, and what's done. This visibility removes guesswork, reduces duplicate questions, and creates a single source of truth for your team. Once you've run this for a bit, refine it to fit your world. If you frequently track steps for debugging, add a custom field for environment or device. If you escalate to engineering, consider a status like waiting on dev. If your team hosts weekly reviews, use due dates and severity to shape that agenda. Keep changes deliberate and minimal. Every field should earn its place by saving time or improving clarity. You now have a simple, effective support ticket system inside ClickUp that's ready to scale with your team. It's organized, visible, and easy for anyone to use, whether they're submitting an issue or resolving one. Over time, this structure will help you spot patterns, shorten resolution times, and keep customers and stakeholders informed without the back and forth. If this walkthrough helped you, give it a like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more practical ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new support ticket system.